Welcome to day 9. Today I'll be making this cute jack-o'-lantern using a few items you may already have on hand. To make your own, you need applesauce packets, orange duct tape, black paint, and a paintbrush. Start by covering your packets with tape. You may need to place 2 strips to cover the package artwork. Take your paint and add jack-o'-lantern faces to the front. Allow the faces to dry and pack in your kids' lunch or save for an after-school treat. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.